Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video on my channel, and today we're going to unbox this haul. So these are purchases from last week and for I think last month also. Majority of them are photo cards, so I have to remove them first here. And we're going to start with this one. So for 1 billion views, I purchased the 3 versions of this album, but unfortunately the seller informed me that she can't send my Paradise version for some reasons that I'm not expecting, or not really. I was just disappointed with the purchase, but other than that, it's fine. I think I'll unbox this now because I decided that I will be collecting Xoxo SC's photo cards too. So let's see my pulls in this album. Oh my god, why am I doing this so bad? I'm not really okay. Yeah. So I watched my last video, the first one, where I discussed about starting my new photo card collection, and I've noticed that my voice was annoying. It was a bit unnatural. Like what I said in the description for that video, this is my first time talking in front of the camera and in English, and I'm not really fluent in English, but I'm trying to be. And I don't know, just give me some few more videos and maybe I could get the hang of it, hopefully. So for this one, I have this Sehun version, which is the ocean view version, and Shanyol's version, which is the art view version. Actually, I also have freebies for this. The seller gave me this. I don't know if it's official. I think it's official. It's from their Universe album. Then some mem pad and a photo card from Baskin Robbins. I don't know if it's official or not, but let me know. I don't know. So as I was saying, I'll be collecting Xoxo SC's card. Oh, look at that, the photo card. Oh my god, look at that. So for this one, I'm not doing a detailed unboxing for this one because again, it's not my albums were not complete, so I don't know, just skip that part. And I think, oh my god, look at that. And I think by this time you've watched so many unboxing videos of the one Divi. So let's take it out here. Let's open Sehun's album. Fun fact, I love, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm not doing this right. Tell me I'm doing this right. Okay, so for the photo card, it's, oh my god, it looks so good. I think this is the On Me version, but I'm not sure. So I'm doing my research last week, and there are 3 different kinds of photo cards for this album per version, so I'm trying to find sellers of the photo cards on the internet so that I could complete their collection for 1 BV. So I'm going to drop my socials in the description below, so that if you're selling photo cards from the 1 BV album, feel free to tag me and I'm going to buy that from you. So yeah, well, this one, oh my god, that's my address. I need to cover that. So these are my photo card purchases. I'm not really good at using cutter. I'll just stick with the scissor, I guess. I'm not sure what this is. Oh my god, I definitely should use the scissors. It will save us time. So again, as I was saying, I will be collecting Xoxo's photo cards in line with collecting Baekhyun's photo cards, also Suho's and Chen photo cards. So please let me know if you sell photo cards of them. Again, I'll be dropping my Twitter username so that you can reach me. Oh, I remember this one. Oh, look at that. Stickers. Oh my god, someone gifted me a Min Shop cup sleeve. Oh, this is my first time receiving this cup sleeve. It's so cute. Oh, thank you. Here's their store. Let's look at the previous. Oh, it's Yixing, Chanyeol, Chen, Sehun, Kai, Baekhyun, Dio. Oh, I miss Dio. I also miss Xiumin and Suho, but I guess we just have to wait for EXO. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the photo card from Power. I remember it was a 9/9 sale and most of the photo cards were on sale, and I remember seeing this with the other version and I think, oh, I want to have that. It will complete my collection for Baekhyun, but unfortunately I only have this card. Someone already had the other one, so it's a shame, but it's a good buy. It's a good purchase. Okay, this one. Oops. I don't think. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? I have no idea what is this. I apologize for many idle time here in the video because I'm not talking. I'm not really good at multitasking. I can't talk and unbox at the same time. I'm so sorry, but you know, on the bright side, you won't hear. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so oh my god, what did I do? So for the dropping photo cards at Baekhyun, I already told you on my last video that Shopping was a priority because Super One album is already out and I have to get old Beckins photo cards from that. So I'm really rushing to put my hands on Beckins photo cards from Super N's shopping album. So I purchased this one from a seller. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at that. This is the B version of the shopping photo card of Beckins from the US release of the album. So I already have the version A, the white shirt Beckin. I have a problem with the Korean versions of the photo cards because I purchased one on the internet, but it was lost. I don't know why it was lost. It's the courier's fault though. It's the delivery company's fault. So I think it will take time for them to locate the missing photo card. I was so stressed about that because I really want to complete this set of photo cards for Beacon, but things happen and I don't get to do what I want to do. I don't get to receive what I want. So I think that's life. I'm still hoping for that because it was a good price. I bought it for a good price. It wasn't really expensive like the US version one. The US version ones were really expensive, but the Korean version was a good price. I bought it for a good price. It was relatively cheap, but the delivery man made it all difficult for all of us to get the photo card. I don't know. It's just so devastating to think. What? Oh my god, the amount of packaging for this one. It's painful. Oh! For this one, this is a trade I made from one of my friends in Twitter. Oh yes, this is a trade. I remember trading this for a second photo card I pulled on one of my Obsession albums. So she told me that she wanna have it because she's collecting Sehun's photo cards, and told me that she wanna have it. So I told her that I volunteered to trade that photo card for any Beckon photo card, and fortunately she has Beckon's photo card from Obsession album. Yeah, I think this is the XXO version of the photo card. So let's read the letter. This is Aries. Hi Aries, says thank you for trading this with me. I'm so happy to find a friend like you. I hope to see you soonest and have more fun girling moments with you. Love, Shans. Yes. So this pandemic, we're not sure when this will end, and everything was put on hold, even the events, get-togethers, and everything, because everyone feared that they will have the virus. So yeah, I can't go outside and have just get together with my friends and stuck in my house. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm afraid that I will cut something inside. I don't know. I'm not very proficient in using the cutter. No, how's that? Oh my god, there's so many adhesive on this one. Oh, look at the sticker. And these are the freebies. Oh, this looks good. Oh, CBX. So this is the photo card. Look at that. It's from the session album. I'm still missing a lot of cards from the session, but we'll get to there. I'll get to it someday. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I did not purchase this one. Oh my god. I think someone sent me the wrong cards. Oh, it was the wrong card. Oh my god. I've waited long enough for this and it was a wrong card. Aww. This wasn't my order. My order is the light PC, not the light PC. I already have this one. I have to talk with the shop for that because they sent me the wrong order. And let's just put this one. I didn't order this. Didn't order for that one. I already have that PC. Why did you send me wrong PC? This was a album. I will be unboxing this one together with the other version on the other video, so let's just put it aside. So okay, this ends my the first clip of my unboxing video. See you on the other clip. Thank you.